Good morning, Key Stage 2, and welcome to Celebration Assembly. Here we are today in my new surroundings. I've moved offices, so I am in my new place of work, and I'm sure that some of you over the next few weeks and months will be popping down to see me, showing me your amazing work. But as it is, we're here to celebrate our achievements together. So let's see where our Celebration Assembly takes us today. So we're going to start in year 3 and we're going to start in Elm class, and this is an achievement badge and it's for Nika. Very well done, Nika. And this achievement badge is coming your way because you've been trying as much to do as much learning as you can each day around access to your laptop. You make sure that you always do all the tasks even if you can't access it on that day. Very well done, Nika. So, with your achievement badge comes a microwave clap. Me. Well done, Nika. Okay, moving into Ash class. Natanya, and an achievement badge. Very well done for completing all of your tasks every day, set in teams to such an excellent standard. A well-deserved achievement badge coming in your direction. And let's see what clap goes alongside that. And it will be a microwave clap. Me. Well done. Moving into year 4. Okay, and we are in with Mrs. Kingsnorth's class. And this is a achievement badge, and it goes to Rowan. Very well done, Rowan. And the reason that an achievement badge is coming your way is that you've demonstrated a complete turnaround in your attitude towards learning during the last few weeks or so. We are all so very proud of the way you are now completing tasks on teams every day. Very well done, Rowan. A well-deserved badge. And the clap coming your way as well is a firework clap. Very well done, Rowan. Staying in year 4, Mrs. Dass's class, and this is an achievement badge, and this is going to Evie. Very well done, Evie. And the reason an achievement badge is coming your way is because you've been working so hard with researching within your group, getting organised and sharing all of your information and research revolving around the Egyptians. So very well done, Evie. And there's been some brilliant collaboration going on in year 4 with their project work over the last few weeks. It's been very impressive, so very well done. Let's see, Evie, what clap is coming in your direction as well. And it is a marshmallow. Fantastic, well done. Moving into year 5. Now some year 5 children have joined us back at school this week, and it's been lovely to see them, and I know lots of children are still working very hard at home in year 5, so that's fantastic stuff. But this is for someone in Mr Hunt's class who has returned to school. Okay, and this is an achievement badge for Amber. Very well done, Amber. And the reason the achievement badge is coming your way is because you've been working extremely hard in English this week, writing a set of stories on different subjects. Since you returned to school, you've shown a fantastic attitude towards your learning. Well done, Amber, and keep it up. Very well deserved. And let's see what clap is going to go alongside that. And it is a train. Choo-choo. Very well done, Amber. Okay, staying with year 5, Maple class and Miss Mills. Okay, and this is someone else who's returned to school this week, and this resilience badge goes to Riley. Very well done, Riley. And the reason the badge is coming your way is because you've so this week I'm awarding Riley a resilience badge to express my pride in him and his return to school. Riley has found his time away from school tricky, but he did persevere with teams as much as possible, which made us all super proud. Now he is back, he is focused and giving me his very best each morning. What a mature and grown-up attitude to have towards your learning during this very strange period of time. Good boy, Riley, and here's to a fantastic 3 weeks ahead. Amazing stuff. Well done, Riley. And to go with your resilience badge is a popcorn clap. Pop. Now, on to year 6. Okay, and this is Miss Gladsman's class, and this is a resilience badge. Lots of resilience going on this week, children, which makes me really happy. And this is for Eric. Very, very well done, Eric. And the reason for this is that last week you were writing twisted fairy tales, creating stories with not so happy endings. Your story finished very quickly, and when we asked you to improve and edit it, you added more detail with no complaints, and in fact decided to start from scratch. You created an incredible story as a result. So very, very well done. There's nothing wrong with re-editing your work. In fact, it's what all the best writers do. So very, very well done. So along with your resilience badge comes a crocodile clap. Well done. Mr. Elliott's class now. So this is beach class and another resilience badge. Okay, and this is for Lola. Very well done, Lola. Lola, and the reason this badge is coming your way is that you've shown great resilience in your learning for and towards the year school play, which I'm really looking forward to seeing. I believe it's being started to be recorded as we speak. You've been doing really well, Lola, getting into character and showing off your dramatic flair. I can well imagine. Well done, Lola. So alongside your resilience badge comes a fairy clap. Well done, Lola. And finally, Mrs. Baker's bubble, also in year 6, and another resilience badge. Amazing. And this is for Maiwa. And the reason that badge is coming your way is over the last few weeks, you've found school a bit different, certainly because of working in a different bubble, but your shyness has been removed and you've risen to all of the challenges that our new way of working has brought to you, Maiwa. So very, very well done. The whole bubble is very, very proud of you. So along with your resilience badge comes a microwave clap. Me. So that's the end of our celebration assembly for this week. It's been great seeing so many more of you in school this week. All proud of you working at home and working at school. Keep up the great work, and I look forward to seeing what you've been up to over the next week. Have a lovely weekend and take care.